gully pops are falling for these Pinteresty aesthetic t-shirts. This video would be on basic t-shirt haul. So hello gully pops, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, I'm Shrishti and today I would be talking about my favorite t-shirts that are trendy. So let's get started. First would be this t-shirt that I would be introducing to you guys. T-shirt that I'm wearing is from Savannah. Savannah runs sale most of the times and you can get that affordable under budget t-shirts. I swear they are aesthetic, they are trendy, they are comfortable, and it's all about everything. I have chose size S for me because I wanted normal t-shirt, not an oversize. If you want to order an oversize, you can order a size 2 size plus if you're wanting that loose oversized look. So that's how the t-shirt is looking on me. It's really comfortable and I thought that it could be of jersey material, but it's not. It's really cotton fabric and it's really comfortable. I'm wearing it right now also, and of course yeah, I've attached a clip so that you can get the view that how it fits around me, and you can just take a reference of it. I bought it under 700 or below that only. Affordable price for a t-shirt, a good quality t-shirt. So I'll be attaching links in the description box, of course. But I basically think I can choose for my gym if we are running out for shopping or something grocery kind of thing. It's literally casual but yet it's aesthetic and trendy. Thank me later. Next t-shirt that is also from Savannah. This t-shirt is also really good. We have graphics on the front. It's really having a cotton fabric. It's a washed black kind of color and really giving you that vintage yet sporty and aesthetic vibe. It's comfortable for summer also. So I ordered in the size S, but it came oversized only because I think it was an oversized t-shirt only. This is my first haul and I literally don't know how to explain all of this. Still I'm trying. This is the video that I've attached for your reference, that how it looks on me. I am a medium size girly, so you can take your reference. What's your size? Of course I'll be attaching links in the description. On to the next, we have this next t-shirt that are from Bonkers. This t-shirt is not ironed because I am a lazy bee and I forgot to iron this t-shirt, but I wanted you to show that Bonker is serving great quality, guys. Aesthetic check, vibe check, comfy check. You can have all of it in one brand and you won't regret. It's an Indian brand. It's affordable, it's serving great quality. So mostly use in gym. I randomly use this t-shirt when I'm at home also because it's really comfy. Moving on to next, we have this t-shirt that is from Bonkers only. This t-shirt is also in a washed color, gray color. It is having some graphics of Guns N' Roses. I love gray dull colors, but yeah, t-shirt I have bought it in size S. My size is M. It's oversized when you're ordering it of your size. So when you're ordering with Bonkers, just prefer a size less. It would look oversized only to you, but don't buy your size because it would be plus oversized. So this is how it looks on me. Take the reference accordingly to your body size, your body comfort and everything. So next we are moving on to H&M. That H&M is my comfort brand, I would say, for basic tees or jeans kind of thing. Not I'm not a fan of H&M dresses much. I have this t-shirt, simple basic t-shirt. How it looks on me, and this is in the size M that I am wearing. It's true to size and it's of great fit. For basic top, run to H&M. Again, I'm having this top that is from H&M only. Recently I have purchased this top. This is the sporty top and it's in a crop type. This also I bought it I think in 200 or 300 bucks only during a sale from H&M store only. So I got it in very affordable price. Of course 200 में टॉप मिल रहे गाइस, और क्या चाहिए. So This top is also very comfortable and you can wear it all day long, but it's in a crop type and it's oversized, so it's comfortable. So yeah, I think this video could really help you finding your perfect basic tee that is aesthetic yet comfortable and fashionable. This was my first haul video. If you are looking up to some more type of hauls, you can just comment below. Try to fulfill all your. This was it for the video. I hope that this whole video would be useful for your further shopping. Or I think some of my t-shirts are out of stock, so I would be mentioning the alternatives for where you can buy those tops. Guess that for some t-shirts there would be no sale right now because the sale has ended. You can just wait for the sale that are upcoming onto that brand. See you in the next video. Bye bye.